Oh, I feel like I'm stuck. I need to move my desk again. I haven't spoken to you guys at all yet today, and it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so my apologies. But I thought we could hang out today. I wanted to chat to you guys about some things as well. Yeah, other than that, it's going to be pretty tame. I'm just going to vlog for the next couple of days. Today, my friend, who is also named Rachel, I know a lot of you guys know her channel, Rachel Lier. I'm going to be hanging out with her soon, and we're just going to sit and chat and like plan out some things. And yes, I still have my big giant water bottle. So I saw Rachel just yesterday. I was going to go out for a walk. So Mitch was at a tattoo appointment. I grabbed Luca because Ducky was hiding under the blankets and didn't want to go out. It was kind of cold. Grabbed Luca, put him on the lead, grab my phone, AirPods, and then I walk out the front door, and as soon as it clicked shut behind me, I was like, I don't have my keys. And I messaged Mitch and I was like, hey, how long's left of your tattoo appointment? He's like, we literally just started, why? And I was like, oh my god. And I didn't have a face mask on me because where we are, like, we can go for walks and things without a face mask. We don't need them. But if you want to go in like major retail or a ride share or whatever, you still have to have a face mask with you. And because I didn't have any keys or anything, I would have had to get an Uber, go to the tattoo shop that Mitch was at, pick up the keys and come home. And then I called Rachel and I was like, please tell me you're home. And she's like, I'm not, but I'm leaving where I am soon. I can meet you home. And I was like, thank you, saved my butt. So I walked an hour to her house yesterday and I was like, well, that's my cardio. And I was just setting up a new hard drive. The 2 hard drives that you saw there, it's the same brand, but they're older models and they're full. Both of them were 8 terabytes each. And this new one that I picked up, I think it's 10. So I've already been to the gym today and I did an upper body session, and then I ate as soon as I got back, which I didn't show any of that. I'm sorry. I don't know if you guys want to see that in every video. Feel free to tell me what you like or don't like. Yeah, so I did that this morning, then I ate as soon as I got back, but I am gonna cook for Rachel, Mitch, and I. So I'll show you what I'm cooking when I get around to that. Losing their minds. Losing their minds. Has your baby dog left stuff all over my house? You get so excited, don't you? Yeah, look at how cute you are. Look at that face. It's like, what is going on? Can I have it? I haven't cooked yet. I hope you don't mind. It's gonna become my dinner. Oh, okay, cool. Hello, double vlog. So we've been sitting here looking at YouTube stuff, and we've decided that we're gonna go pick up some GoPros. Wait, this is so loud. So I have an older GoPro and I've been using it for bits of this video, and then I was showing Rach the new one and how you can actually mount like a flip up screen to it. So I think we're gonna go pick up some of those now. Camera acquired. Alright, do you want to shoot it?
No, I think this might just literally be like this one, which is just a little. Where do I sit?
Ooh.
Wherever you want.
Just chill.
Oh, my water.
No, not forget. Well, this just looks amazing. Thank you for cooking for me.
That's okay.
I love it. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm trying to put his whole face in the bowl.
I like it. It's very pretty. Yeah. When you're too little for it.
Okay, I think we're focusing. Anyway, I wanted to have a little ramble at you guys. I don't know if you remember, if you've seen it, that is, in my last video. Also, if I sound a little bit congested, it's because Mitch has had a cold all week and I thought I got by without catching it, but I'm a little bit not great today. Not the best, so we'll see how we go. I normally don't get too sick. If you saw my last video, which was like a what I eat in a day, at the start of the video, because I hadn't uploaded in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks or something, and I was like, thank you for waiting for me. Just because lately I had been in a bit of a funk with making content, because sometimes that feels like what it is. Like YouTube feels like a bit of a content machine, like you're constantly just like churning and you have to create for the sake of creating. And that feels bad sometimes. Like I feel like sometimes when you are making things and being creative and expressing yourself in that kind of way, you need to pull back to recharge a little bit. And I kept finding, like I've been noticing this for the last like year to year and a half, every time I go to film a video where it's just like a sit down, talk to the camera video that has like cutovers and things, I keep finding myself like wanting to push it back. I'm like, no, I'll film that tomorrow. No, I'll film it the next day. No, I don't want to film it today. And I had to really have a sit down with myself and be like, where is this resistance coming from? If you can hear crunching, it's Ducky finishing off her dog food from this morning. But I was just like, I love making videos. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. I love being able to like share things with you, whether it's just like something that I'm using or a recipe that I've been working on or whatever. Like you guys mean so much to me and I'm so thankful to have you in my life. And when I was sitting and I was doing this thinking, I realized I love making vlogs. And as much as I like to sit down and do like informative or fact videos, I just really look forward to catching up with you guys and like having you join me for the day. I feel like it's a more chilled out video. They're my favorite to film. They're my favorite to edit. So it's something that I'm thinking I want to make more of, and I really hope you guys will join me for the journey. I think it will allow me to share a little bit more. It will be more relaxed, so I feel like I can be more authentic. And authentic is a weird word to use in that situation because I feel authentic in all of my videos, but I feel the videos where I'm just sitting down and talking you through like 10 facts or talking you through 10 tips or whatever, those videos don't feel like can be as like casual and I guess forthright, and they feel more formal and a bit more restrained and pulled back. Like I feel like I'm lecturing you, which I don't want it to be like. I feel like I have cultivated genuine friendships, especially with the people who have like found my videos and then even come aboard my training program or whatever. Like it's so cool that so many of you guys are interested in similar things to me and we have similar lifestyle habits, and I don't know, it's just so exciting and I love that and I want to be able to share more. So I'm just going to be tweaking my video style a little bit because actually enjoying creating stuff is really important for me. When I don't enjoy it, I don't want to do it, and then I push back on it. So yes, there will be lots of new things coming, and I'm excited to share a lot more with you guys and bring you guys along for more of my days and things like that. Like I'm really genuinely excited about making videos, and this is the first time I have been excited in years. So it feels really good to reignite that passion and actually just like actively want to make so much stuff. You guys don't even know, like I have a really full notepad in my phone which I need to transfer over to Asana just so I can keep all my ideas in the one place. But I'm excited and I'm looking forward to, you know, chatting more with you guys. Now this afternoon I'm thinking I'm gonna work on a new like a protein bowls, protein bites recipe. If I'm happy with how it turns out, I'll tack it on the end of this video and I'll also upload it in a blog post on Eat Run Lift. Probably link it in the description box too. But I really want something that has a little bit of a coconut flavor to it, so I'm gonna check the pantry, see if we have any coconut. I feel like this flavor combination will work really well together. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a play in the kitchen later and I'll film it for you guys. I don't mean to sound up myself, but I think these are the yummiest protein bowls I have ever made. Look at this. I don't know if it's an Australian thing or if anyone else has had these as well. There's these things called chocolate spiders. I'll put an image on the screen if you don't know what I'm talking about. I remember my mum making them when I was really young. It was like a food you would take to like a children's birthday party sort of thing, and they were, I know this is gonna sound so weird, they were like dry noodles that you would like crush up, and then you would like coat them in chocolate and you turn them into these little, they look like spiders basically, like legs popping out everywhere. Those protein balls taste exactly like those. I think the two main components that made that taste was firstly using a good quality chocolate protein powder. I think when it comes to any kind of protein recipe, the type of protein powder you use is going to make a really, really big difference in the flavor. And I used the ISO 100, is it gourmet chocolate? I think that's what it's called. I can't quite remember. I'm pretty sure it's called gourmet chocolate. That's the one that I use. I know I'm getting it confused because we normally buy gourmet vanilla. I'm just gonna take off this jacket. It is like actually quite warm now. ISO 100 chocolate protein powder, and then what I've never done before, but I know when it comes to baking and cooking, when you have coconut, you should cook it, right? So either bake it in an oven, about 180 Celsius, 8 minutes should do it on a baking tray, but I wanted to put rolled oats in the recipe as well. So I thought, why not just put them both on a skillet and just cook it? It took, say, about 15 minutes at a moderate temperature just to cook them through. Just make sure you're moving it around on the pan pretty regularly so they don't burn, because the middle will cook faster than the outside. So you want to make sure you're bringing the outer lot into the middle where possible. Cooked them up, and then I put them with the other ingredients, and oh my gosh, it made such a big difference. It was so flavorful. The coconut became really nutty, and the cooked rolled oats added this amazing, slightly crunchy texture. and I think that's why like the crunch from the oatmeal and the coconut combined with the chocolate flavor really brought back those chocolate spider memories. So that was interesting to eat those and just get like whacked in the face with my childhood. But I popped them in the fridge just to cool off for about 45 minutes before I serve them up, and they will stay in the fridge for a couple of days, or you can pop them in the freezer if you really want to freeze them. I haven't tried freezing this particular recipe, so I'm not sure how it will hold up frozen, but a lot of protein ball recipes will freeze relatively well. Thanks for coming to hang out the last couple of days. I'm sorry I'm not sounding the best at the moment. I'm gonna wait a few days before I film my next video, but I'm very excited for all the new stuff that I'm working on for you guys, and I can't wait to catch up with you guys in the comments. I really do love chatting with you. It's such a fun part of my Monday. If you do want to make the chocolate protein balls recipe, or the recipe which I featured earlier, the one that I did earlier is a little bit of a knockoff of my chili chicken quinoa. I just used noodles in it instead. And the protein balls, I just photographed them, so I'll make sure that I put them up on the blog and I'll link them in the description box for you guys. But thank you for watching, and I hope you're looking after yourselves. We'll catch up next time.